Front to back video of GNX 548. Not that good at making videos, so excuse the process. We'll start off. You got the front mount, RJC. I coated it in special heat disbursement paint. So's the radiator behind it and my transmission. Scoop there goes to the tranny cooler. It's got a 680 CFM fan, puller fan on it. My oil cooler goes in the center one there. Makes it look like it's stock appearing intercooler, kind of. And over here, we got the air inlet, which is ducted up to the front and the K&N. Bumper steel, got the aluminum mounts. The entire radiator, it's boxed in. Kind of hard to see. And also there's a fiberglass full lid on the bottom. So all the air is forced through the intercooler. There's a little gap for when I'm in traffic between the intercooler and the radiator. Heartline's fiberglass hood. Go ahead and pop it. Everything's on this car for a reason. This is that aircraft bulkhead material. No holes. The adhesives on. Got the correct sticker. Just got those stickers. The yellow and the fan. To make it correct, powder coated the original radiator hold down. 3-inch rad. Like I said, it's coated just like the intercooler is. Special heat disbursement paint. This battery is fake. It's in the trunk. It's where there's a big hole in it. Underneath there is my tranny cooler, and the fan allows air up this way to kind of keep that cool. Went ahead and hydro dipped my canisters. I just couldn't stand the white ones. Hydro dip and done. There's no chrome on this car. It's all aluminum. Cover's aluminum. Inlet rad's aluminum. Got the aluminum pulleys. I'm going to forget a lot. Where it's ducted in. Oh, I got HID headlights. They're not LED, they're HID. LED side markers, everything works. That's where I'm ducted from the front. Put a 14-inch on it because anything under is a restriction. I was corking myself. Got the stainless power steering. Plastic one's kind of hokey. Went to vacuum. It's my PCV evacuation canister. I got the GNX kit and they are tunneled. They're capped and tunneled. Got the braces so when I was handling, or it still can, the core goes where I turn it to. There's no play in this car. Motors, 251 cubic inch, just got a stroker in it, iron block, iron heads. Old school 3-bolt 7184 GTQ turbo. I just did the 5-inch downpipe. It goes 5 to 4 to 3. That's 5, 4, dual 3s. Walk down the side. I'm on XFI. Intelligent with traction control. Kept it off the floor, doesn't get hot, nobody's kicking it. I can actually lock that, nobody mess with it. Got the E-dash for it. Interior's all correct. One thing, I put GNX headrests because I tried to get rid of all the Jiffy Lube 6s. I kind of failed because I forgot about that one. But that's okay. Top straight, A-pillars are leaded and welded. There's no clear coat on this car. BASF HD Onyx Pure Black. Water base, single stage. Of course, sanded and buffed to show quality, and I keep it like that. Oh, I just did all the TRZ Garth Brooks bar. It's got Q1As all the way around, Willwood disc brakes all the way around, upgraded Curry 9-inch, Mark Williams case, 320 gears, a frame notched. That's the battery. It's not the front. We'll cut off. And all the brace, all the bushings, urethane. Got the GNX ones added, of course. Got me some RC cant wheels, 15s in the front, 15s in the back, 17s in the front. They just fit better. Of course, I went B-lock so I can boost it and actually launch this thing. Transmission's 200 R4, stage 3, Art Car 3500. I'm about to change the transmission and the converter out. It's time. Everybody loves this. Objects in the mirror are losing. Got my alky mounted there. If anybody wanted to replace that, they make that panel. You just cover it right over, but it's simple, holds it tight. Poston's GNX dash, Scan Master for the XFI. AM boost on top. Air fuel at the bottom. I had Poston, when he custom make this for me, I had him put a tranny temp gauge instead of the boost. I don't need a million boost gauges. You know, Alpine CD. The speakers are all upgraded, kickers and Boston acoustics, I believe. I found the fast, the E-dash, it fits right there. No tools, no nothing. It just props right up in there. Full interior. Got the door kit, anti-rattle kit. You ready for the next show?